Joining us now is Temple University's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Tony Reed. Dr. Reed, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, this is a once-in-a-generation event, so can you walk us through the timeline for Temple, and also what's the staffing priority looking like for these first doses?
Yeah, absolutely. We are expecting to receive our first shipment on Wednesday morning. We have vaccination clinics lined up for Wednesday afternoon into Thursday and the rest of the week, and we'll continue on. And so our priority list started with those who are working in the COVID units, treating COVID patients all day long, every day, and our emergency departments and our crisis response center and other areas like that.
Will you stagger who gets it within each department to avoid the side effect impact on your staffing, or is that not a concern?
Yep, we've asked that of our staff members who are signing up for the appointment slots and for our leaders in the area to be cognizant of that and to spread people out over a course of a week or 2 weeks, depending on how big the department is. And so, for example, I don't want to have all of my emergency department vaccinated on Wednesday. I'd rather have a few on Wednesday, a few on Thursday, a few on Friday, and so on and so forth.
How is this going to impact Temple's ability to provide care to patients during this surge? We know the hospitals are overwhelmed right now. If you have your staff vaccinated, makes a big difference, I would imagine.
I think it does. I think it gives that level of comfort that there is some form of protection in place. We all put on our personal protective equipment, our PPE. We all go into the COVID zones. This is just one more thing that we can do to protect ourselves that will make it a little more reassured that we ourselves will be safe as we're delivering care.
So big day coming up on Wednesday. I'm sure we will check back with you. Dr. Tony Reed from Temple University Health System. Thanks so much for joining us here at 4 o'clock.
Absolutely.
All right, to this now, an outpouring of support for Dr. Jill Biden. A controversial op-ed suggested the soon-to-be First Lady should lose the doctor title she rightfully earned at the University of Delaware. Well, NBC10 heads to